have you ever visited mangrove tree?
And actually, yeah, I have also already visited the mangrove tourism around here, and it's quite interesting for me because I believe that was a very healthy habit for some environment, especially a sea environment, to protect their important life. And yeah, it's a very beautiful place to see.
What is interesting about mangrove tree?
Oh, the very thing that interesting, yeah. For me as a tourist, yeah, of course we can see the very aesthetic view, the good angles, and if we were a photo shooter, we could get a very good videographic or any picture, the good one, yeah. And then for the most of Karachi, we can also believe that Indonesia is a sea country. We know that, and this has a very big benefit for the country. And by doing this, by learning about mangrove, by doing the planning of nurture the mangrove ecosystem, we also showing that our care, our action to do and to protect our sea in the life of the future.
Why are mangrove important for the environment?
Oh, the importance of the mangrove for the environment.
Yes.
Yeah, well, as I said before, the benefit, of course. Actually, I will explain a little that mangrove ecosystem is also having the abrasion effect to the sea wave, and that's also causing a very big benefit for the country of sea. That the most of the little ecosystem that live in the sea of the country could also do a reproduction and be more developing of their life ecosystem. Maybe that's
Apakah kakak pernah mengunjungi wisata mangrove?
pernah.
Apa yang menarik dari wisata mangrove menurut kakak?
Karena apa ya, tanamannya hijau, untuk mempertahankan lingkungan, ya, maksudnya untuk laut ya kan butuh juga mangrove kan, ya, untuk kelangsungan hidup binatang laut.
Lalu menurut kakak, kenapa mangrove itu begitu penting untuk lingkungan?
Karena menurut saya salah satu juga untuk mengatasi banjir, ya, tsunami kan bisa tuh dari mangrove kan, jadi dia untuk tekanan airnya tidak begitu besar karena sudah ditahan oleh mangrove.
What do you know about Malay culture?
Malay culture, yeah, I already visit the Penang Island and I found some very interesting Malay culture, which is we can see that by we can see the traditional house, we can find that a very interesting outfit, a very beautiful one, and also we can find the very characteristic food. I think it's a kind of food I found here, and also we can find the traditional music, and it's a very Melayu culture. I think it's very quite interesting for me to see.
Oh, okay. For next question, how can mangrove tourism and Malay culture be developed in Bintan?
Oh, so I see. If we were talking about the mangrove and also a Malay culture, it could be mixed by one, but we have to understand that for tourists, they often to see something that catching their interest, which is we can find in Penang Island. Like I say, Malay culture first. We go there first. We introduce them as this is what's the culture of Malay, and then you can ask them if ask them like we could see also a very side of another part. The first one is their culture. The second one is their how to manage this culture by showing them how to develop the environment and showing the mangrove culture.
Menurut Ibu, apa saja budaya Melayu yang sudah Ibu ketahui di Tanjung
Ya,
Pinang?
budaya Melayunya itu termasuk Gurindar 12
Oh ya,
dengan tariannya Melayunya yang khas, betul.
Iya, betul sekali.
Apa itu musiknya gitu
Iya,
ya.
betul. Jadi kayak lebih enjoy gitu
Ya,
untuk
lebih enjoy
dinikmati,
dengan tarian
didengar.
Melayunya itu yang
Apalagi
tidak
kalau dilihat.
bisa, iya.
Oke Bu, jadi bagaimana cara Ibu atau bagaimana pendapat Ibu, bagaimana cara untuk mengembangkan budaya Melayu ini lagi di Tanjung Pinang? Apa pendapat Ibu?
Ya itulah kira-kira ya, untuk anak-anak muda sekarang itu memang harus dibangkitkan kembali
Iya, betul
tradisi
sekali.
Melayu, jangan
Iya.
sampai hilang gitu
Iya,
ya.
betul sekali Bu. Karena kayak asik gitu kan Bu,
Ya, asik.
apalagi kalau menari-nari.
Ya.